Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by powering off the OnePlus Bluetooth headset and removing any case or ear tips. Once done, set up a clean, flat workspace and use a 0.5 anti-static wrist strap if available to prevent damage. Next, use a plastic pry tool to separate the shell seam gently. Why this matters is to avoid cracking clips. You'll expose the PCB and battery quickly if you follow controlled pressure and keep screws organized for reassembly. Now you'll carefully note the battery connector orientation and take a close photo for reference. This saves time later. Once noted, unscrew the 4 tiny Phillips screws securing the PCB and lift it slightly to access the battery tab. Gently disconnect the battery cable. Do not pull wires. Remove adhesive. If sticky, warm with a hairdryer briefly to soften. Install the new battery matching voltage and polarity, reconnect the cable, and reseat the PCB. To finish, align the shell halves and close them evenly. Make sure no cables are pinched and clips snap into place. Once assembled, charge the headset for 10-15 minutes and then power it on to verify pairing and audio functions. This confirms the new cell accepts charge and the circuitry is intact. If the device won't power on, make sure the battery connector is fully seated and try a known good USB cable. Often reseating the connector solves no power issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.